Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily reactivate your Facebook account. So let's begin. So here we are in Facebook, and all we have to do basically to reactivate our Facebook account is to simply log in into our Facebook account again on our Facebook app or in Facebook web. So first let's type our password right here. So now once you have typed your password and your email right here, you can now log in. And once you're logged in, you have automatically reactivated your Facebook account just like that. And after this, you can now access your notifications, your messages, and whatsoever. You'll now have full access to your account, and you will receive an email, the associated mail on your account, just the email that it would symbolize as a reactivation of our Facebook account. And that's basically it.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.